Do you build or fix planes?
No, we don't, no.
Hi, I'm Freya. What's your name?
Hi Freya, I'm Dermot.
How are you?
I'm good, yeah, how are you?
I'm good. And so, what do you do?
So I'm an engineer for AirNav Ireland. I'm an ATSEP, so that's an air traffic safety electronic personnel. My duties at the moment are mainly based in the TCD, which is the control and monitoring of systems that the air traffic controllers use to carry out their duties. Within AirNav Ireland, we have engineers of multiple disciplines. For example, we have communications. We supply the equipment so that air traffic controllers can talk to pilots and pilots can talk to them.
Yeah.
So there's surveillance, so radar, these to detect aircraft, and they inform air traffic control where the aircraft are in space.
Yeah.
And so they can space out aircraft.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have nav aids. We provide the systems in order to assist pilots in their navigation towards the airport.
Do you build or fix planes?
No, we don't, no. We maintain the systems that the air traffic controllers use to carry out their duties. And we also provide navigational systems to pilots in order to navigate them to the runways and also provide them with meteorological info of the airport.
Perfect.
Yes.
So what was the most interesting project you've ever worked on?
There's actually two. I suppose the first one would be the construction of the VCT, we call it, which is the Visual Control Tower. It is one of the tallest, I believe it's the tallest habitable structure in all of Ireland.
Wow, okay, yeah.
And it's also one of the most advanced control towers in all of Europe. I suppose the second project, which is very interesting, would have been the construction of the North Runway in Dublin Airport. And it also is great for Ireland and great for Dublin to increase the traffic flow into Dublin Airport.
Yeah, okay. And do you have a good life-work balance?
Yeah, AirNav Ireland, it's brilliant. We have a great work-life balance. I find I've loads of time off to do all my hobbies. Your health is your wealth, as they do say. And there is a lot of incentives within AirNav Ireland, like health incentives. So we have health checks. We also have mental health checks, and there's always support within the organisation. Then I suppose we also have social outings. We play soccer on a Friday. It's always great fun, you know. And also we have time to rest, you know, it's very important to get your rest if you're in a safety critical environment.
So do you have to take extra precaution if you're maybe drinking on the weekend and you're back in on Monday?
Well, yeah, like it's very important that like you have no alcohol in your system, so there's a zero alcohol tolerance when you're in work. We also have random testing for alcohol because it's very important being a safety critical environment. And we're working on systems that are operational, so they're constantly transmitting, so we have to be very careful in regard to that.
How do you make sure all the equipment works properly?
So within AirNav Ireland, we have 24/7 monitoring of all our systems in engineering, and this is done in the technical control desk. So if an alert comes up saying that there's something wrong with the system, we always have an engineer on hand to fix or to communicate with other engineers to try fix the problem.
So there's always someone there.
Exactly, there's always someone there.
And has anything ever gone wrong, like out of nowhere, and like you got a big panic?
Yeah, well, I think the number one thing is to not panic. It's to take a good view on all the systems. So if something fails, there will always be a backup.
So what would be your favourite part of your job then?
I suppose the excitement when you overcome a challenge.
Okay, yeah.
When you experience a fault or something's wrong and you come up with a fix or a solution, it's very rewarding.
I'd say so, definitely, yeah. So is being an engineer a male-dominated job?
Well, yeah, I suppose at the moment it kind of is. But at AirNav Ireland, they're very inclusive and we hope to see more female engineers join our team. We're always looking for great engineers, anybody who wants to join, you know.
So what advice would you give to someone who's doing their leaving cert to try get the amount of points that they want?
I'd pick subjects that they're good at, so I think that's very important. And subjects they like as well, so like I liked maths subjects, so I chose maths and physics. Always do things that you love, and then you will see the results.
So like almost like saying, by doing something you like, it's like half the battle of
exactly.
Perfect.
I studied aeronautical engineering, and we also have engineers from a mechanical background, electrical, electronic, and software.
Could you see yourself being any other type of engineer?
I couldn't. No. I love what I do, and yeah, no, I couldn't. No.
Yeah. So Dermot, thank you so much for telling me all about being an engineer.
Yeah, that's no problem at all. If you ever decide to become an engineer, we hope to see you at AirNav Ireland.
Who knows? Only time will tell.